When administered to animals prior to loud noise exposure, all of the following antioxidants have been shown to prevent hearing loss: glutathione, D-methionine, epsilon, resveratrol, vitamin C, coenzyme Q10, salicylate, and N-acetylcysteine. Furthermore, treatment up to 3 days after loud noise exposure was also able to reduce hearing loss to various degrees. So let's say you're going to the club and it's going to be really loud that night. If you take a whole bunch of vitamin C, not too much. If you take, let's say, like a gram of vitamin C, maybe 2, any more than that, you could get diarrhea. So that could be a disaster. But if you precondition your body with a bunch of vitamin C and you load it up, it actually will reduce the chances of you getting hearing loss from it. For the next 3 days, there's a window of opportunity where you can take antioxidants and reduce and reverse some of the damage that was caused. So antioxidants, according to the research, administered both before and after loud noise can prevent and reverse hearing loss.
Hey, it's Mark. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and definitely hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos when they come out. Also, be sure to pick up my 3 free ebooks, one on chemotherapy, the other on sodium bicarbonate for cancer and other diseases, and a red light therapy dose guide, by clicking the link in the description below. Last but not least, check out one more video on my channel right here, and I will see you in the next one.